So as you might have seen by now, I'm leaving AWS after being there for a little over 3 years. A lot of people have been reaching out to me asking what I'm going to be doing next, where am I going, what am I going to be kind of getting into, and also most importantly regarding my YouTube channel, where's my YouTube channel headed after this? So I kind of wanted to go ahead and create a video to address some of this stuff. Now, first of all, what am I getting into with my career? Let's talk about that for a second. Now, if you've been following my career, I've kind of done all kinds of stuff. Before I was at AWS as a developer advocate, I was running React Native training. I was very deep into the React Native ecosystem. I had my own podcast called React Native Radio. I wrote React Native in Action for Manning Publications. I was all over different places talking about React Native, conferences and such. So I was kind of heavily involved in that React Native ecosystem. I did my own consulting, like I mentioned earlier, did training and stuff like that. Before that, I was an engineer. I was just a software developer. I worked at startups. I worked at local companies. I did consulting as well. So I've kind of gone through a couple of different phases. I was, getting started in my career, learning how to be a developer, kind of started getting opportunities and jobs, leveling up. I then got into React Native, which kind of gave me a new opportunity to kind of level up my career, I would say, and ultimately get an opportunity to work at Amazon. At AWS, I joined a team called AWS Mobile that's now known as AWS Front End Web and Mobile. I worked on a new project called Amplify that over the years has really grown, not only within Amazon AWS, like with the number of people working on it, but also the number of active users has really grown, kind of blown up into this entire suite of tools and services. I started off as a junior developer advocate, kind of leveled up to a senior within a year, and then the beginning of last year kind of became the manager of the developer advocacy team. It's been a really amazing experience. I learned a lot, met so many great people, made so many friendships and relationships that will continue to bring with me wherever I go in my career. But what I'm going to be doing next is kind of a lot different than what I was doing before. So I'm still going to be keeping my YouTube channel with full stack cloud videos, but I'm going to also be dabbling more into full stack dApp development, decentralized apps, Ethereum, Solidity, all types of stuff in that ecosystem. I'm not yet announcing where I'm going to be going, but that will come maybe in the next week or so. So I'm going to be starting at my new company on Monday. So keep an eye out for me talking about where I'm going to be announcing. Maybe I'll do a video kind of giving an introduction to what I'm going to be doing. I'm really excited though about this new space. I've really been interested in this space. A lot of things personally kind of resonate with me around decentralized finance, very closely tied to some of the stuff that's happening in Lebanon with their inflation, as well as the government control of banks. So I really feel that the decentralized finance space is an opportunity to kind of like do a lot of things that will be impactful to a lot of people in positive ways. But also I'm interested in this whole ecosystem. It's really exciting for me. And I feel really passionate and motivated to kind of dive into this stuff even more. I don't know where this is going to lead me. This is a kind of a new thing for me too. So I just kind of wanted to share, where I'm at in my career, where I'm going a little bit, and maybe just kind of give that insight because I think a lot of people have been asking me, what am I doing? So I kind of wanted to kind of address that. I'm not really the type of person that was kind of looking to make a change into any particular space. This opportunity came up and it was kind of like out of the blue. I had been keeping my eyes open maybe for any opportunity. I kind of always do that though. I'm always kind of keeping my eyes open to any opportunities that are out there, And this one though, the one that I'm going to be taking is super interesting to me. I'm really excited about it. So like I said, I'll be talking more about it in the future, but yeah, my channel is going to be now a combination of full stack cloud. I'm still going to be doing some of that stuff. I'm still going to be playing around with CDK and Amplify. But you're also going to now be seeing some full stack dApp development. You're going to see some Solidity stuff, some Ethereum. I'm going to be working with different projects, tools within that ecosystem. So keep an eye out for that stuff. I hope you enjoy some of this stuff. If you kind of like are interested in this stuff, I really would appreciate any comments around what you might want to see for me to kind of be building in public. So yeah, thank you for checking out this video. If you're watching my channel and you're subscribed, I appreciate that. If you're not already, definitely consider subscribing. And until my next video, I will see you around. And I'm excited about where I'm going with all this stuff. Have a really good day, and we'll see you around.